What if bringing species back from extinction could help bring critically endangered species back from the brink, help hundreds of threatened species thrive, and support the restoration of the planet's critical ecosystems? That's the goal of Rewild's new partnership with Colossal. No big deal. Colossal develops cutting-edge technology to protect biodiversity and reverse human-caused extinction. Rewild protects and restores the wild. In this era of unprecedented biodiversity loss, we share one goal: to push forward the frontier of how we protect and restore species and secure the health of the planet, for the good of the wild and all humankind. Rewild's helping Colossal harness its groundbreaking technology to pull our struggling species back from the edge of extinction, such as the northern white rhino, the pink pigeon, and maybe someday even the vaquita and the saula. But it's impossible to save something that we didn't even know we had, so Colossal is supporting Rewild's Search for Lost Species program, expeditions that scour the planet for flora, fauna, and fungi not seen in decades. And we're setting our sights on the world's most wanted. That's not all. Together, we're also building a species capsule, the world's largest genetic repository for 100 threatened animals. Oh, and we're supporting partners to reintroduce more than 30 key species to their native habitats, helping restore crucial ecosystems around the world. As we said, no big deal. Today, we're revolutionizing what it looks like to restore species for the good of the planet, for a more biodiverse and wild tomorrow.